A farewell to the demon, combating depression. There is no denying that depression is a rampant sight these days, plaguing millions of people worldwide. In particular, teenagers are the vulnerable victims. From striving to grab top spots in school to struggling to be popular among peers, it is almost inevitable for teens to feel anxious and drained from time to time. Not being able to cope with these distressing feelings could mean irreparable tragedies. My bosom friend Sharon was a case in point. Her experience could serve as an inspiring story to those who are wrestling with the same demon. Sharon was raised in a competitive environment. The demanding academic life would drive her to the verge of a nervous breakdown. The pressure had been aggravating since senior forms, so much so that she could take any remark too personal. A simple greeting could be misinterpreted as a scornful criticism. Preoccupied with negative thoughts, Sharon could not help but become increasingly gloomy, if not suicidal. It was not until I saw scars on her inner wrists that I realized the severity of her problem. Diagnosed with depression, she was first sent to the school's social worker and later referred to a psychiatrist. What saved her was not the popular idea of asking her to think positively. If she had been able to do so, she would not have let depression take over her life from the outset. Instead, on top of medication, her psychiatrist proposed rest and exercise to fight her demon. Never could she imagine the therapeutic effects that the two elements could bring to her mental health. While the regular naps helped readjust her biological clock, the jogging sections contributed to unwinding her, which in turn restored her mental balance. Complete recovery was by no means a short process, but she gained back the courage to face squarely the root cause of her depression and acquired the effective means to combat the monstrous disease. Sharon's story is living proof that depression is not incurable. Should one fall prey to the notorious demon, one should seek professional advice and assistance as soon as possible, so that the healing process would not be delayed. A timely break and some regular exercise are routines that everyone could adopt. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. There are other tricks to help fight depression, be it listening to music, distracting your mind off the familiar stressors, or taking the initiative to learn about mental problems. In order to keep depression at bay, ensuring that you have a support group is of utmost importance too. It could be consisted of friends, parents, or teachers. Their presence will be conducive to your overall well-being. Depression is a brutal demon, but Sharon's case gives us a glimmer of hope. As long as you have the right tools, use them without delay, and show persistence, you will say farewell to the demon. The battle will be won.